Okay, hello. I got a new welder this morning, which I am quite excited about because up until now I've had to drag around quite a large machine. This one, iTech MiG 170, and I've been using it mostly for arc welding for the last year and a half. So anyway, I have been dragging this thing around. It probably weighs about 15-20 kilos. It's heavy. So I got a dedicated arc machine, and it's by the same company because I really did like this machine. This has been a very good machine. I got myself a new set of gloves as well this morning because I knew this was happening and I was running out of electrodes, so I bought some electrodes. These are TIG welding gloves. They're far more comfortable than the big cumbersome gauntlets. Probably never get used. Not for this anyway. User manual. Turn on burn stuff. Are the leads any good? Oh, look at you. So there's two different versions of this on IFL's website and on WeldEquip, with two different faces, two different versions. One of them had a digital readout, I think. This one does not. So the idea with this is that this particular machine can run at 160 at 60% duty cycle, right? I only ever go to 130, and so far as I know it can do 100% duty cycle at 130, so I can weld all fucking day at the max power I normally operate at. With this little thing, look at it, it's stinky. Stinky little thing. Right. It weighs about 3 kilograms or something like that.
Oh, nice. Immediately it's just easy. Feels much similar to the other one. Good for melting.
That is a good start. That was a good start. Fuck it, I'll keep going. Okay, I'm pleased with that. I'm extremely pleased. Not just a little bit pleased. I'm extremely pleased. MIG welds. Yeah, I mean, this is the bigger machine. All these are the bigger machine. And then this is the smaller machine. They're both from the same company, yeah? So this is the IFL iTech 170 MIG, and this is the IFL iTech 160 MMA. Doesn't look to be any difference at all. Burns nice. Okay, that's the review, unboxing over. Bye.